In the given figure, ABC is similar to PQR. The value of y plus z. So this is similar to this. Okay, the y plus z you should find, right? So 3 by z is equals to 6 by 8 is equals to y by
Sir,
4.
is the answer B?
And
3
B.
root 3 plus 4?
A, B, C, P, Q, R. Huh? Is the answer?
Option B.
Sir. Second one.
The second one. So from here we will get y is equals to 6 into 4 root 3 divided by 8. So 4 2s are 8, 2 3s are 6. 3 root 3. Y is 3 root 3, no? And z is
Yes.
z is equals to 8 into 3 divided by 6. So 6
8 by 2 equals to 4.
6 4s are 24. Fine. This is the only answer. So 3 root 2, so 3 root 3 plus 4. Next question is in the equilateral triangle of side 24 centimeter, the length of the altitude. What is the formula of length of altitude, Praharshan?
Sir, for the root A.
What?
3 root 3.
Till once again.
Like root 3A.
Root 3a. This is the formula of
Sir, like,
altitude.
yes.
Means
Equilateral triangle, right?
it means that altitude
Sir,
of
either we can do it by that formula or else we can take right angle triangles by drawing the altitude.
this one, right? You are saying Praharshan root 3 by 2a. This is
Just root A, right?
root a only.
Root like the only the top part, not the part. Like
Why?
2 is.
Sir, it's root 3a, sir. Root 3a.
This is like the area
the
of
formula for area. Yeah.
See, formula of the area is root 3 by 4 a square, children. Root 3 by 4 a
root.
square. This is the
Isn't it
formula
root?
of what happened, Praharshan?
Sir, isn't it root 3 by 2a?
This is the altitude only, and root 3 by 4 a square is the area formula. So see, you just see here only, no, a and a by 2, right? By Pythagoras theorem, you find this altitude. What will come? Root 3 by 2a only will come. Okay. Is it clear, Drishi? Right? That's the same only, no, altitude, right?
Sir, you're correct, sir. It's root 3 by 2a.
Chanchal?
Understood.
Nobody is on the camera. Why, children? Due to Deepavali. Diwali is coming nearby, that's why. You are preparing full. Jor shor se. It doesn't want to show me the decoration of your houses or what. Only I can see Samarth, Praharshan, Chanchal, Drishi, Teja. So root 3 by 2a, root 3 divided by 2. How we can forget, Praharshan, the small things?
Sir, I was thinking like it was something else.
12 root 3.
I thought it was like 2. I was taking it as 2a. So I took it as a and I got root 3a.
Okay, fine. Next question is question number 42. Question number 42. What is the altitude of an equilateral triangle when? Hey, this is very easy, no? Same question repeats once again, right? The only for is automatic closing, automatic owning. I don't know what is happening here.
The voice is also breaking.
Okay, now question number 43. Now it's clear. Samarth, voice is clear now? Samarth?
Yes, sir.
Internet is unstable.
So, I think you can connect to another network.
This is the best network what we are having here.
So there might be some problems.
Yeah, everywhere from
That's the speed for it.
Saturday I didn't took class for that reason. Airtel is messaging us, whole apartment only. Due to something, they are just not having proper network. We'll resume by 10:30 night, 11:30 night, like that they are mentioning like that in the message.
It at that time, except great people like this.
Now see, next question 43. In the given triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, angle QPR is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree over here. And PQ is equals to 24. QR is 26. And in triangle PKR, PKR is equal to 90 degree. KS is 8. And length of PK, you can find easily length of PK. If this is 90 degree, you can by Pythagoras theorem, you can find PR is equals to root over 26 square minus 24 square. So what is 26 square?
576.
676.
676. 24
minus
square equals to 576. Root 100 equals to 10.
So this is 10. So PK is equals to what you get?
6.
That's it. Next question is question number 44. Actually, triangle, if you just solving and all, it become tougher. But if you come through this one, no, like objective type questions, this is very easy of triangles. So in the given figure, in a triangle PQR, ST is parallel to QR. ST is parallel to QR, and PS and SQ is given. PS and SQ is given as 3 by, what is mentioned over here? 3 by 5. PS by SQ is 3 by 5. PR whole thing is 28. Okay. So how you can find PT over here? It's easy or not? How to find? Tell me, Praharshan, how to find this PT over here?
So take it in a ratio.
Tell which ratio I should take. Tell me.
8 is to 28 for the whole side, then just do it for 3.
8 is to 28.
For the whole side.
Okay, 8 is to 28, then is equals to what?
Number, then you do 3 is to
3 is to PT, correct? Yeah, we can do in this way. So PT is equals to 3 into 28 divided by 8.
10.5 centimeters.
Wow, ooh, Teja, awesome, super finding. Teja, 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28. So 21 by 2, the answer is 10.5 centimeter. So Teja, you are watching the India match nowadays or not?
India lost so badly. Why should we watch?
India gone. Now they can't play.
Lost by three matches, sir.
Lost 3 matches.
Yes,
huh?
sir.
3 matches or 2 matches, man?
3 matches lost, sir.
With whom? Pakistan, New Zealand, and then third match?
Oh, 2, I think. Okay, sir.
Oh, shit. Gone. Okay.
Staying at home, they forgot to practice. Unlike us, we're practicing every.
Nowadays, they may lose with Scotland. Who knows? Namibia also they may lose now. We can't say anything.
Everything said there's nothing left in that.
Okay, now in this figure, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. Then AE is to ED. AE is to ED is equals to what? ED is equal to question mark. What we can write for AD is equal to AE divided by ED.
Sir, I have a guess.
No. Guessing is not required here.
The last answer is correct. BF by FC.
AEC here you can.
The last BF by FC.
So why you're guessing here? See, AE by ED. This is there
Sir,
now.
not guessing, sir. I got the answer.
Sir, it's not a guess, sir.
No, from Teja I'm saying. Teja, you are saying no. This is a guess only.
Yeah, sir, it's not a guess.
Not a guess, no. On your camera first, Teja. Let me see you. After a long time, you just joined very less time. Chanchal, why
Sir,
happened?
right now I'm eating, sir, after.
Chanchal, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What happened to you? You can't on the camera. 1 minute, sir.
Sir,
I'll on the
I
camera,
will-
sir. Huh?
Sir, I will on, sir.
2 minutes give time, sir. Then only I'll on, sir. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Teja, on man. Ganga Rappu. It looks like some Don name. Teja. Teja Bhai. Okay, next question is 46. In the rectangle ABCD, figure is given 46. In a rectangle ABCD, E is a point on AB such that A is equal to 2 by 3 AB. Adarsh is joining now. Wow. So what is the correct answer? You have to write the
Sir, you have posted half the question actually.
half the question is there.
Yeah. The
Let-
other two options are, sir, 4 and 5.
Yeah, options only are there. No, question is full, right? Options are half.
Sir, how many options
Sir,
are
the
there?
answer will be 5 kilometers, sir. I
Okay.
got that.
Okay, fine.
Sir, 5 kilometers is the answer, sir.
Teja, you'll on the camera or not? I'll remove them from the meeting, okay?
Sir, I'm eating, sir.
Eating in class. Means you are multi-talented, man. Eating, then answering, solving everything at a time, huh? Let me call right now, okay? You are so much hungry, no, right now. Teja? How to solve? Tell me. This is a rectangle. First, you should write a rectangle. Children, I'll remove everyone now, okay? I'll wait for only Praharshan and Samarth. I'll remove everyone right now. Right now, 2013 is there. 2014, I'll remove everyone. Just see. After a long time, people are joining, and then also. See, in this condition, ABCD is a rectangle over here. ABCD. And then AB is such that AE is equal to 2 by 3 AB. AE, where is E? E is a point on AB. Hey, kahan gaya baba? So AE is the point on. So we can write here AE 3AE is equals to 2AB. Okay. So which is greater among these two?
Procedure.
You just only tell Teja that 3AE and 2AB, which is greater? AB is greater or AE is greater? Which is greater among these two?
AB, sir.
AB is greater. How?
AB equal to 6 centimeters, sir.
AB is equal to 6 centimeter. AE is equal to 2 by 3 AB. E is the point here, right? So, what is the ratio here? Ratio will be what?
Yeah,
If
3
E
by
is
2.
3 by 2, if E is the point, which ratio? This is 2, this is 1, right? Can you write like this?
Yeah, we can write like that.
In this way, AB is equal to AE is equal to 2 by 3 of AB. It's correct only. Next, AB is 6. Whole thing is 6. AD is 3.
Sir, you can just do one thing. Just connect the point D with E.
So they're
So
asking
we'll get the
D.
triangle DAE.
This
Yeah.
one.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, all of you write in the chat box answer for this now. So this is the question. You have to find the length of DE. So remember children one thing, here this 2 and 1 are the ratio, okay? So you have to convert into what are these sides actually. This 2 means what?
Sir,
See,
we don't need that, right?
we don't
We
need.
just have to find AE. For finding AE, we can do 2 by 3 into 6 equals to 4 kilometers.
The same thing,
So-
no, I'm also saying same thing. This is a 6 is the length and 2 part of it is 4 only, correct? So 3, 4
Yeah.
and this is 5.
Yeah.
So, okay, Drishi and Samarth people only answer. Prashan, you got the answer?
Yes.
Chanchal, I'm removing right now. Just sleep at home, okay? Where is that? Removing option is not coming.
Sir, there's a bit net issue, so that's why I'm not on.
You on first, then let me check whether internet issue is there or not. Teja, I'm removing you also. Put in waiting room. Shall I put in waiting room?
No, sir, wait 5 minutes, sir. I'll on my camera.
No, you eat first, then you come. Okay. 47th now. 47th. So in the given figure, the measure of angle x will be what? The first of all, these two triangles are what? Congruent or similar? Similar, right?
Yeah.
So what we can write here? This is 14, 7, 14. 3 root 3 means almost 2 times. So by S similarity, this both got similar, right? By SSS similarity, PQR, triangle PQR is similar to triangle which one? ZYX, not ZYX.
Yeah.
Correct? ZXY. Now what you should find here, this is 60, obviously this is also 60. So this is 70 over here. So you have to find angle X. The angle X will be easily.
Sir, that's ZYX. Please see, PQ is similar to YZ, right?
Wait, I'll just make you understand. Wait. See, this 7 and 14. Double, right?
Yeah.
6 root 3 and 3 root 3, correct?
Correct, sir.
And 8.4, 4.2.
4.2. Correct.
Now you see, what is Q between Q and R? What is the distance between Q and R?
Q and R is 7.
What is X and Y? 7 only, right? 14. 14 only. Now see, you just see here Z should come or X should come. This is X and Q. You only see. PQR should be ZXY should be there or ZYX should be there. You just think now. I have mentioned all the 3 colors different. 6.3.
Sir, PQ must be equal to YZ, right?
PQ must be equal to what?
YZ.
PQ is 4.2 and YZ is what?
8.4.
You are correct.
Yeah, that's why I was saying.
So PQ is front and here XZ, right?
Yeah,
PQ is 4.2 and here ZX should come, right? ZX is there, no, here. No, but ZY should be there, yes. Here ZY should be there, you are correct. ZYX. So here anyway, this is any angle X is equal to 50 only will come, what will come? Angle Q is equal. This is 60, which is 70. 70 is angle
50, sir. You got 50.
This is 70, right? This is 50 only now.
Yeah.
Let me search some harder question. In similarity, it's not having that proper actually. So all are easy questions. Mhm, mhm, mhm. See, direction for questions is given over here. See, direction of the questions. In the given figure, PQR is a right angle triangle at Q. XY is parallel to QR. PQ is equals to 6. PQ is equals to 6. PY is equals to 4. PX and XQ. XQ is 1:2 ratio. 1:2. It means that this is what? One means 1/3 of 6, right? This part is 2, this part is 4, correct? If ratio is 1:2, if ratio is 1:2, it means length of this is nothing but 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Next, what you have to find here? Length of PR. What is the length of PR? Length of PR, right in the chat box. What is the length of PR? Tell me. Option C is required for you. Length of PR. And then after finding length of PR, tell me QR also. Others told 12. Okay. 2, 4. 2, the 6 to the 12, yes.
Sir, which question are you asking for?
This one. PR, length of PR.
48. Yeah.
This is 12, right? You can write easily here 2 by 4 is equals to 6 by PR. So PR is equals to 12 centimeter. Now QR, how to find QR over here? How to find QR?
Sir, QR equals to 6√3.
6√3.
Yes.
How to find QR here?
Okay, sir. So we got PR equals to how much? 12, right? And PQ equals to 6. So 12 square minus 6 square equals to 144 minus 36 equals to 108.
12 square minus 6 square, right?
Yeah, root over of 108 equals to 6√3. We get from there.
The root of what is coming here?
Root 108.
So answer is 6√3.
Yeah, 6√3.
6 is 36, 36√3 centimeter. Fine.
Hmm.
Proportions clear, no?
Yes.
So this part is nothing but 12. So right angle triangle, you can find it out. Kritika, you are understanding anything in triangle? Kritika. Are you there in the meeting? Can you hear me, Kritika?
Yes, sir.
Do this question number 58. Triangle ABC is right angle at C. BC is equals to A. CA is equals to B. And AB is equals to C. PQR. ST is parallel to QR. ST, where is ST over here?
Sir, I got the answer. I am sending in chat.
Where is PQR?
Where is PQR? How you got it? PQR is not mentioned, only you got the answer also, Samarth.
Yeah, sir. I am just seeing it.
And P is the length of P be the length of perpendicular from C to AB. Okay, P is clear. And CP is equal to what? CP.
Sir, should I explain it?
Explain.
Yeah, so here first we get area of triangle ABC equals to half into base into height.
So half into base is A and height is B, right? So
no, AB and CD, right? Equals to half CP.
Which triangle area you are finding? ABC, right?
Yeah, ABC.
So base is A and height is B only now.
Height is A and what are you saying, sir? I don't know.
In triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is what? Half.
Yeah.
Base is A and height is B only, no?
Yeah.
Area of triangle ABC, correct?
Actually, sir, I accidentally took it as ABC. It must be BDC.
The BDC you are saying?
Yeah.
So area of triangle BDC. Okay,
half
what?
Into C into P.
C into P. This is 90 degree they have given. CD is 90 degree they have given anywhere.
But there is a theorem, right? This must be a perpendicular, right?
Where they have given? They have not given anything now.
This
Achha, P P be the length,
right?
Perpendicular they have mentioned. Okay. Then it's fine. Then what you can write?
Then sir, area ABC equals to half AB. So half CP equals to half AB.
Half CP is equal to half AB.
Yeah.
How is it so? This triangle is equal to same whole big triangle area. How is it so?
It is similar, right?
Achha, area will be similar means both area will be same. Why? How you can write area is equal to same?
Sure.
Area, see, you are writing that area of triangle BD.
There is a theorem that in NCERT theorem 6.8 or 6.9.
Okay.
6.9, I think. So it tells that the whole triangle is similar to this right angle triangle.
Similar you can say, but area are not equal now. Area will not be equal.
Yeah, it will just be similar. For some time we are taking it as equal.
But here it's equal. Here it's not equal now.
No, it's not equal. It's similar. So CP is similar to AB.
CP is similar to AB.
Yeah.
That is there. Then after that?
Then you got the answer, right?
AB.
Yeah, AB.
Acha, CP is similar to AB means CP is equal to, they are saying the CP is equal to AB only.
Yeah, AB only.
I don't think so. CP is equals to AB. C into P is equal to AB. No.
Sir, I will just be back in 2 minutes.
I think root AB should come. Just check.
Sir, how root AB, sir?
No, it means that is half means it's not equal. Multiplication of AB should be not equal to CP.
Similar, right? So similar is some sort of equal. Little bit. Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Little bit you are saying.
Yeah, that's
Rasul, what should be the answer for this, Rasul? 58th question. Who will tell the answer for this? Rasul, can you explain this answer?
Sir, can you hear me?
What, Rasul?
Sir, I can't guess.
Guess. Okay, say what to guess here. AB into CD. ABC. So triangle.
Sir, C is for BD or BA?
This is what they've given here. C is for AB actually. C is for AB. C is for AB completely. Half CP, then how you're writing? BDC, how it is writing? Samarth is wrong then.
Sir?
Samarth, here see, this C is for not for BDC. You're writing a BDC, right?
Yeah.
In BDC, half CP, how you can write? C is for whole thing from here to here. This is full C is CP.
Then I might be wrong. I took it as BD equals to C, that's why.
Acha. But you have done here, if you want to write this ABC only, you can write. See what actually you have done, no? See what I'm saying here. Instead of BDC, don't write in this way. You write here area of triangle ABC only. This is also area of triangle ABC, and this is also area of triangle ABC. Both are area of triangle ABC only. Understood, Samarth?
Yes. Yeah.
Then you can write both are equal. Then here you can write half CP is equal to half AB. So AB is equal to CP.
That's correct now.
So this is wrong.
Okay.
So answer is correct, but way of doing was wrong. This is also of triangle. See what we have done. Once we have taken complete, here we are taking this is base and this is height. Correct. In the other way, what we are doing? Other ways we have taken this is base and this is height. Understood? That is the only difference. Area will remain the same. Got it? What I'm saying? Area will remain the same, but
just the dimensions change.
I'm not going to teach people, children. You are all just planning to off the camera only, all of you. I'm removing this Chanchal. She's wasting time here. I don't want to be at home only. Then anybody else is there? Adarsh, I can see Drishi, Praharshan, Rasool, Samarth. Anyone having doubt in this question? Question of 50th. Is it clear, Rasool? See question number 54th. All of you do question number 54th over here. Question number 54th. A man steadily goes 10 meter due east and 24 meter due north. What is the distance from the starting point?
It's at 25 meters. It just seems the answer.
So east, west, north, south, you are applying over here.
Yeah, it just becomes a right angle triangle. You do from many.
Right angle triangle. So root over 24 square plus this one 10 square, right?
Yeah, 570. That 476 plus 100 root over equals to 676 root over.
All of you understood, children? This answer is 25. So no need to solve this, Praharshan, right? Praharshan?
Yes.
Now question number 54th is a bit tough. Who is going to do 54th one? Sorry, 53rd.
Sir, how much one?
53rd now, 53rd.
Okay, give the question.
In the given figure, PQRS is a trapezium in which...
Or in the previous question, shouldn't it be 26?
26. Yeah, it's 26 only. It's not 25, it's 26. Correct. Samarth, what you told? 25 only or 26?
25 only.
26 should be the answer. 24 square plus 10 square should do, no, Samarth?
Okay, okay. Yeah.
So 576 plus 100. So answer is 26.
I actually did calculation mistake.
Okay, next 53rd. In the given figure, PQRS is a trapezium in which PQ is parallel to RS. There is a point E and F respectively, such that EF intersect SQ. EF SQ at G. Now, term
Sir, I have
E.
sent you the answer.
Huh? What?
I have sent you the answer. You can check there.
A is answer.
A is the answer.
Okay. How you have done A is the answer?
Okay, sir. It's a bit of long process. So in triangle GEQ and
But you have done.
DFS.
You have done in the notebook.
Yeah, I have done.
In the notebook, you have done.
Yeah, I have.
Okay. So PQRS is a trapezium. You done before or right now just you solved?
I just solved right now, but in the tab with that pen. So I can also send you the screenshot of it.
Okay. I removed Praharshan. I removed right now. Praharshan, go home. So anyone explain how to do this question? The only other Samarth has done option A is correct. Anybody else? So EQ into GS, EQ, E to Q into GS, G to S. So actually we can do this triangle and this triangle, both are similar, correct? Can we do like this?
Yes, sir.
That is the only option what we are have to do. This triangle and this triangle, if you make similar, then we can just say, right? So in this triangle, if you see, this is vertically opposite angles.
Yeah.
Again, angle F is equal to angle E and angle S is equals to
similar
angle.
by double A, sir.
By double A only this book has similar. So we can write here triangle GFS, right here double, and here you write double, here write triple, and here you also write triple. So GF is similar to triangle GEQ, right? GEQ. So here in this question they are asking EQ. EQ is last and into GS. EQ into GS. So GS you are writing from first to last, and here writing EQ second last, correct?
Yes.
So if you are writing in the first one, if you are writing G to S in the last, then here you have to write G to Q in the last, correct? G to Q should come. Again E to Q you are writing in the last two here. The F and S should write here. So GS into EQ is equals to what? FS into GQ. Is it clear? First option is correct. Rasul, you are getting what I am writing over here? I am just going to just merge over here. Huh, Rasul?
Yes, sir.
See, G to S is coming here. So here also G to Q should come. G to Q. Correct, no? And again, here you are coming E to Q. So you should write here FS. So FS into GQ is equals to nothing but GS into EQ. Drishi, it's clear?
Yes, sir.
So, Adarsh, you are getting? Next question is, which of this option is correct? So this is a very easy question, 56th one. In the given figure, AB is parallel to DC. The value of X will be what? AB is, all of you write in the chat box. AB is parallel to DC. The value of X will be. Yeah, something is wrong. X square minus x plus 3x minus 3x square plus 7x plus 10. This is equal to minus 13. Where's mistake somewhere?
Sir, answer is
Sir, the answer is 7, sir.
sir.
Answer is 7.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Sir, I think you've done some mistake.
Where have done mistake? Tell me.
Yeah, okay. So we are getting the equation as x square minus 2x plus 5x minus 10
Equal to
x
x
square plus 3x minus x minus 3.
plus 3.
So see here what I have written here. Can I write OD by OB is equals to OC by OA? Can I write or not? This you tell me first.
OD by OB equals to OC. Yeah, you can write.
So I put in the value, just acha, here I am not put in, here x plus 2 I have written. No, this is x minus 2.
Yeah, sir.
That's why it might be wrong.
Then 3x minus 10 equal to 2x minus 3. That is x equal
Where
to 7.
from where you are calling from? Teja?
Sir?
Where you are talking?
Oh, sorry, my mic was unmuted, sir. Sorry.
On your camera first, Teja. Then you tell me. Face to face we talk.
Okay.
Oh, you are in Singapore. Near beach you are
Yeah,
sitting.
sir, I went there. It was a photo.
See, now it's clear, right? The 3x x is equal to what you're getting? Now you'll get here if you see now. So x plus 5x minus 2x.
Sir,
And
x is coming as 7.
and this is minus 10 will come. Yeah, x equal to 7 will come, right? No? X is equal to 7. Yes, now it's coming correct. Question number 57. In the given figure below, CB is parallel to QR and CA is parallel to PR. AQ is 12, AR is 20, PB is equals to CQ, that is 15, 15. Calculate PC and BR. PC and BR. PC and BR, you have to find. To find PC and BR, what we need to do here?
So you have given half. You have not given the last option. Please take that because that's the answer.
That is the only answer.
Yeah, the last is 9 centimeter.
Okay, D option is 9 centimeter, right?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
9. Yeah. The answer is also 9.
So PC is 9, you are saying, right? Which two triangles you
Yes,
are comparing, Samarth? Which two triangles you are comparing here?
sir, I am comparing that PQR only I am doing. No
Okay,
comparison.
only PQR only. So by only PQR, how we can find 9?
Sir, I am getting by, I am sorry, sir, I am getting it for BR. BR equals to 9 centimeter.
BR, but here I'm just talking about PC only now.
Oh, PC only. PC will get 25.
PC will be 25. How?
Yeah. In triangle PQR, you will get CA is parallel to PR.
Yes, correct.
So PC by CQ
So
equals
like
to
this,
RA by AQ.
like this is coming, right?
Yeah.
This is
PC
A
equals
and
to,
this is C.
yeah.
So we can write QA by QR, sorry, QA by AR is equals to QC by CP, correct?
Yes.
So 12 by 20 is equals to 15 by CP. So CP is equals to 20 into 15 divided by 12. 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 15. So 4 5s are 20. How is coming 9? 20 into 15. Sorry,
Sir,
20.
PR
No,
equal
not
to
sir,
15
9.
into
It's,
15 by
sir,
25.
you will get PC value as 25.
PC
It's
value
25.
25.
15
Yeah.
into 15 by
BR equals to
25, sir.
9 centimeters.
3 5s are 15, so you'll get 25 only. The answer is
Yeah.
25.
25.
25.
To find BR, what you need to do for
It's
find
9 centimeters.
this already you got 925. Now it's easy, right?
Yeah, it's
PC
easy.
by CQ is equals to PB by BR. So PC is 25 by 15 is equals to 15 divided by BR. So BR is equals to 15 into 15 divided
15 by
by
25
225 by 25.
equal to 9.
3, 5,
9
5,
times.
3, 9.
9.
So BR is equals to
9 centimeter.
9 centimeter. Wow, Teja, you solved. I don't think you have solved. Your orally you are solving, I think. Correct, no, Teja?
No, sir.
You're solving orally, no? By mouth only you are solving. You're not writing anything, right? Hey, unmute him, unmute. Okay, children, till where you will solve, the next class, till where you solve me and just tell. Till 80 can you do? Till 80. And anyway, you're not having class only on this upcoming day, no?
Okay, so it will be done till
So,
80.
So complete this chapter, but you can't do, no? But you will celebrate, correct?
No, we'll get time in the morning. There's no problem. I will solve it.
Okay, how much you can solve, we can solve, huh?
Alright, I will try
Okay.
till 100.
Okay, Teja, Samarth, Drishi, you can leave for the day. Adarsh, thank you all. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Good
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you. Good night. Bye.